Alright, so your PS4 is a bit slow. I wish it would just be a little bit faster. What do I have the solution for you? For this project you will need an SSD. Wait a second. This is not an SSD. Alright, for this project you will need a PlayStation 4, your SSD, and some tools. Now start by removing this cover by gently pulling it to the side. And then you can, with a bit of fiddling, pull it off. Now grab your screwdriver and remove the PlayStation screw with the PlayStation symbol on it. That's this one. Now you can easily remove the hard disk drive from the PlayStation. Now you're gonna want to take note of the orientation of the hard disk drive in the caddy and remove these 4 screws. Now you have successfully removed the hard drive from the caddy and you can put your SSD into the caddy. It's basically what we just did, but in reverse. Alright, now when your PlayStation first boots up, it's not gonna be too happy because it doesn't have an operating system, so we're gonna have to install that. This is luckily very easy. Get yourself a 4GB flash drive. And follow these instructions.
Welcome home.